Welcome to Governify, your all-in-one digital platform for streamlined GRO and HR operations in Saudi Arabia. In this video, we will explore the main features of Governify to help you make the most out of it. Once you log into Governify, you will be directed to the home page, where you can see a list of service categories offered on the left side. Choose the category that the service you need falls under. Let's take license renewal as an example. Go to MISA License Management, where you can see all the services below this category. Click on the Create Request button for license renewal. A form will appear where you can fill in the required information to request this service. We'll request you to share the credentials for accessing the portal. These will be saved after you enter them for the first time and will remain the same until you decide to update them. Additionally, ensure you upload the required documents and leave any additional notes if necessary. To track the status of your requests, click on the Track a Request button. This will take you to the Governify request tracking page. Here, you can see the status of each request, whether it's awaiting action, in progress, or completed. Each request will display the service name, its category, and creation date. You can check the comments left by the Governify team, view uploaded documents, or leave your own comments by clicking the Updates button. If needed, you also have the option to cancel your request by clicking on the Cancel Request button. To manage your requests more efficiently, you can filter them by status or sort them by creation date. Governify also provides a convenient search feature. If you need to find a specific service quickly, simply use the search bar to type in the service name, such as CR Renewal. Additionally, you can export your request to an Excel spreadsheet or search for a specific request to streamline your tracking process. And remember, if you ever need assistance, our chat support feature is always available to help you in real time. Thank you for choosing Governify. We promise simplified GRO and HR processes, ensuring efficiency and compliance every step of the way. Happy managing with Governify.